Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be making this drawstring bag as you can see. So these are the material you need in making this drawstring bag. Let's get started. So we're going to be using the length 16.5 and the breadth for 11.5. Okay, but you can use any length you want depending on the size you're trying to create for the bag. After taking the measurements, we go ahead to iron the fabric. We fold it and iron it. So as you can see, the fabric is well ironed. So this place will iron it so it's for easy pinning, so we can pin it and sew it very easily. There's no need stressing ourselves how to fold and start pinning. So it's already folded it already. So just to sew. So I decided to just pin it, but you don't need to just pin it since it's already ironed already. Just go straight to the sewing machine and start sewing already. So as you can see, we're done sewing it. So at this point, if you have weaving machine, just go ahead and weave inside to be neat. But since I don't have weaving machine and the fabric will fray. Okay, so at this point, I'm just going to be using side French seam method to finish the edges for it not to fray. So at this point, we're just going to stop close to where we sewed before. So mind you, this is the front of the fabric. This is the front of the satin fabric. So as you see, we're trying to trim it. Then if you have lighter around you, I forgot to use lighter, just burn the edge before going ahead. But if you don't, you can still leave like that. So just if you have lighter, just use lighter. Now, okay, this is the back. We turn it to the back already. Now this is where we're going to sew it. So please, if you have, at this point I made a mistake. I went to use the needle I was using to sew a particular fabric. I went to use it to continue to sew it, and the fabric was thicker. So the making the sewing is made for the inside seam, French seam. I mean rough. So we go ahead to use a safety pin with the shambala rope. So that's shambala rope to pass through the hole we created at first. But mind you, we first of all trim that hole. We're almost done with this video. So at this point, you can decide to just make it one side drawstring bag, but I think two would be better. So we're going to pass the rope to the other side, not the side we've made the first drawstring at. We're going to pass to the other side. As you can see, so it will be facing two different. The drawstring rope will be facing. We have two drawstring rope facing two different sides. So you can see. So right now we have two drawstring rope. So you go ahead and to cut it, then tie, create a knot. Okay, right now we're done with it. You can see. So, but I want to put one design on it. So you can see this is a velvet trim. It's no shiny trim. It's just go to the market. They sell it in the market, any tailoring market. So you burn the edge. I don't want it to be fraying after finish making the bow design. So add more beauty. But you can decide to use anything just to create your own to make it more beautiful. As you can see, I'm just trying to make a bow design. So at this point, you can use this to make a brush to be very fine. So let's go ahead. So right now, I'm going to get my needle. I'm just trying to know the middle of this bow, and I'm going to get my needle and start sewing to create this bow design. Okay, now we are done sewing this bow. So we're going to try and attach it to the drawstring bag. So when trying to attach it, try not to sew Try not to sew the shambala rope when sewing it. As you can see, we are done making this drawstring bag. So you can see, you can use it to keep your cream, your roll stuff you need when going out, so you look well organized. And not everybody have this time making this type of bag, so you can actually sell. You can keep your makeup things inside. Okay, we're coming to the end of this video. Thank you everyone. Thank you everyone for always liking our video, for always watching our video, and do well to subscribe for more of these videos, for more creative videos. Thank you very much.